Recently elected MP from Inner Manipur BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan discloses 5-point development agenda for Manipur. Recently elected MP from Outer Manipur NPF candidate Dr. Lorho as Fuzi assures to work in accordance to public interest, says there is room for improving NPF BJP times. Independent candidate R.K. Samrendra Elias Kaiku thanks supporters, says securing over 80,000 votes in recent election is a big achievement for him. MPCC President Gai Khangam and INC inner candidate Oinam Nabikishore congratulate recently elected two state MPs of 17th Lok Sabha. And Desam and Ames urge government to prohibit teachers engaged in board examination from opening or teaching in private coaching centers. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangsam Shalir with the top stories and latest news at this hour. BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan, who helped won the MP seat from the Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in 17th Lok Sabha election with a massive vote count of 261,802, disclosed to Impact News his major development and agenda for the state, which includes opening of Western Gate of Kangla, setting up of a Levi Tower, construction of Lake City at Lotak Lake, Barak Waterways, river links, and to frame a home street land policy. An inclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Katrimayam Premchan.
Dr. R.K. Ranjan expressed gratitude to people of the state who supported him in the recent 17th Lok Sabha election from Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, the newly elected MP disclosed some of his main upcoming agendas for the state.
I really thanks to all the people of Manipur who blessed me. First, Kanglagi keno se nongpok thong se thananaba is Manipur sarkar amasung mar sarkar da haini aduga masikari gino hargadi ekhoina thaina khogi pai pusingna toramba Kanglagi thong si thong ama sarga nongpok thong se hangakanda nunggi obo hanthuk to mapung phagani aduga loina nai khogi samaj gi leiriba tangdu laita daba khudingwak se adugu bama tawraga khoi shanti oigaden khali.
He expressed a desire to construct a levee tower inscribed with names of those 500 individuals of the Manipur levy formed by Gambhir Singh and Nara Singh in consultation with the British to fight against Burmese invaders during 7 years devastation in Manipur.
Supreme sacrifice torga laibaki thongda Manipur se anobu Manipur ma semlo honaki ba moi sangwa dugi maming hakpa kari hani levee tower ma Manipur gi lehauda thamningi.
Dr. R.K. Ranjan also expressed desires to construct Lake City at Thangakarang and Mayang Imphal by Loktak Lake, to construct waterways at Barak River, to start motorboat services, and to construct roadways for light and medium weight vehicles along Imphal river banks to ease traffic congestion.
Lake City haidana Thangakarang dama adu Mayang Imphal side dama ani se new concept ai develop tawningi waterways se Barak to Renda tahonningi masina Mizoram the locally ba Kaladan project sigi lakadur port sigi hinterland ki infrastructure lakadui se masi ekhoi Manipur da extend tawna ba aduga Goite road aduga Bhiang lairiba lam sing sigi communication si phanna bai bana janingi lamlong to Lilong sigi turen anigi torban se light vehicles aduga medium vehicles sida chalanba congestion si kitang east over small canoes natraga motor boats si laga Imphal da ecotourism the su base over aduga makri waterways develop tawni Southeast Asia ne aduga South Asia gi laiba SAARC country economic belt siga Asian gi economic belt adisi marta khoi Northeast India si laibani na akhoi gi all kind of resource masida base torga khoi economic generation torga khoi economic empowerment am larga khoi better standard of living aduga make in Manipur gi team da khoi tawna wa onage haibasima ai thamjaningi.
Responding to Impact News query regarding the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill, Dr. R.K. Ranjan assured that the amended bill will not harm the state in any manner. Upon being asked if he has any chance of getting minister's portfolio if NDA comes to power, Dr. R.K. Ranjan expressed optimism.
Hanagi akhina mi pairamba adumba cap adudi already discard tawkre aduna anuba cap ama puthol pumatamda Manipur praja gi akiba se lehendanaba madugi active role do aina lawjagani haibasuma.
President of BJP Manipur K. Vavananda thanked BJP central leaders and state party workers upon the party's recent success.
Sukuina ground the Kigi work to Pussy Panam Pire Kigi party Karakata Singh Tawak Toriba Toriba Mamsi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sakas Torum Amato Ninakudu Port Comba Kari, young line is talking.
Minister Biswajit also expressed gratitude to people of the state for supporting BJP in the recent election. He reaffirmed the realization of a new India vision by 2022.
2022 new India am sem gone have se kunga si mang founder ne have the India gi praja padi mangna ko harau rong ne have se ige set pathaja bane Bharatiya Janata Party na power da lakpa matam da koi soina maki capchana hangani tawdabu akoi northern gi lari ba apprehension aduga ki ba tungjung ba lari ba puna maksing se koi gyan taminan nam wari sagani cultural akoi value se si puna mangak na tawgani haibani na masi akoi gi lari ba praja na paung ki puna maktu yawrabra adumaina dum akoi mayam na dum khanare.
People of the state were given promises and assurances on various developmental works time and again. The earnest desires of the people is to witness fulfillment of those promises and assurances. With camera person Chungkham Subas, this is Ketumium Premsan for Impact News, Info.
Naga People's Front NPF candidate Dr. Lorho S. Pozi, who helped won the recent 17th Lok Sabha election with a thumping majority from the Outer Manipur Parliamentary constituency, has assured to work for the interest of the people. Dr. Lorho S. Pozi is from Kai Nu of Senapati district. He passed out class 10 from Don Bosco High School, Mao in 1975. He passed his MBBS from Regional Medical College, Imphal in 1983. After serving people for many years in the medical field, Dr. Lorho S. Pozi joined politics in 2011 and contested as NPF candidate from Outer Manipur Parliamentary constituency in the 17th Lok Sabha. His contenders were INC candidate K. James, BJP candidate Haulim Sokopal Mate, NPP candidate Thangmilian Kipkent, NEIDP candidate Asang Kasar, JDU candidate Hangkan Pau Taitul, NCP candidate Angam Karungkom, and independent candidate Laikam Kaipu. Dr. Lorho S. Pozi secured a total of 3,63,527 votes, including 3,62,707 EVM votes and 820 postal votes out of the total 8,58,029. He defeated his nearest contender, BJP candidate Haulim Sokofal Mati, by a margin of 73,782 votes. After obtaining election winner declaration certificate from DC Thabal District, Dr. Lorho Pozi thanked all the people of both Hills and Valley for their immense support in the recent election. He assured that he will work in accordance with the interest of the people of the state and further assured of working with utmost effort to maintain the integrity of the state. Responding to Impact News regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill, Dr. Lorho replied that the bill is communal, which is distated by people of Manipur. He assured to stand against the bill if it is against the interest of the people of Manipur. Dr. Lorho S. Pozi, who also gave positive affirmation that there is room for improving relation between BJP and NPF.
Masiyumba CAB habisi yamna communal in nature ni hana akoina perceive tawe. Masimasi akoy Manipur gi miyoy singidamakta aphabanate hana mayamna khallabnina masigidamakta akoina oppose tawgani ada karigumba sarkarna masisi akoina achumbasi akoygi damakta karamaina sokpano karamaina pharibano phatabano habsi understand tawbiraga sarkarna moygi phirep tu lepa ngamba lairagadi madoragadi akoygi support se sum chathagani madu laita bataragadi akoina oppose tawgani. Hopefully with this new combination, with the new alignment and the new setup of this new government with this election, I hope that there is a better understanding, and we hope that they will realize the need of building up good relationship with each stakeholder.
Independent candidate R.K. Somrendra alias Kaiku expressed contentment that he gained more than 80,000 votes even though he lost the recent 17th Lok Sabha election from Inner Manipur constituency. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, he appreciated and thanked all those who have supported him in the election and appealed to continue supporting him even in the future.
One Honazaba, the translation of the Emily Minister, the party to Yawanati, Apoy, Samatava, Avo Banks, and Elements in other Maputali Pazan, Punona in relations 80,500 discussion of my partner in Nigeria. She couldn't make it say a Pazan and the beginning of Pazan, and comes to think you as a Sina, Hoy, and the relations to my power, the dining and absolutely, I'm Hatan, Kano Honor. I see them with the Sidam, the Kanaka, and half of our own work, I presently, so I suppose now I know I'm so. But my power, never to be done, I think that the maybe better than the head of Kunai. The same in the Potako Hang the home in the Silver, I want to get a secret Panamina, and I think minutes I
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam and INC candidate Oinam Nabakishore IAS congratulated the two recently elected MPs of Manipur in the 17th Lok Sabha election. Gai Khangam claimed that Congress party would have definitely won the recent election if it was conducted in a free and fair manner since power misuse, mass bribing and threat exercised by the ruling government. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, the MPCC president expressed astonishment that BJP won the election with a thumping majority. He maintained that there is no denial in choosing a right candidate. However, the result will be beyond expectation. Gai Khangam thanked the people of the state who have extended massive support for the Congress candidate for Inner Manipur parliamentary seat who was defeated with a minimal margin. Responding to media query with regards to the unexpected low votes secured by the Congress candidate in outer parliamentary election, Gai Khangam asserted that the Congress candidate was a strong contender and contributed his defeat to incidents of boot capture and mass rigging in the recent election. He maintained that if the respective proscribed parties supporting BJP and NPF didn't carry out boot capture and mass rigging, the Congress party would have definitely won the election with historic majority. He expressed contentment that people of the state extended massive support to Congress party as proof by the number of votes gained by the party in the recent election held amid coercion and misconducts.
Threat and intimidation. As a part of the Pangaiba board, I did not put in I took a possessing the Congress party, Nungshi, Hibese, Mayla, Tai, Hazabel. Amabur, Amabur, Kare, election commission, the car and declared. Madam, outer the car, candidate Hazabatare, Dr. Lorho, Amati, another Kariba, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, okay, Animapu, Congress Party, Taraptagi, Punamaki Taraptagi. Congratulations, Pijari, Manipugi, Swartada, Levak interesta, Manipuri Equagi interesta, so Shoidra, Tabak. I think Tone Pantokpa, Nambu Hadna, I basis Pijari.
Taking part in the press meet, Congress candidate Oinam Nabakishore expressed gratitude to all those who have voted him. He also thanked Congress leaders and workers who supported him. Oinam Nabakishore assured to continue serving the people in the years ahead.
Tien graba matam February dagina aina public life da rajniti da laiba matam sida Manipur gi praja punamakna yahaku nungsibiduna amasung aingonda thajabiduna yang graba vote masing pibirakpase masi praja sing punamakpu maruaina naharon satra satri sing punamakpu yahakna aigi laman tonsinjare Punsigi wana singbanga mroido badu malaman tonsinjare haina dumai tauna yi thamjage matung dasu aigi lemhori ba punsi sida Manipur gi praja singi maruaina naharon singi horklebe singi hiram kaya da ai thodang laujage.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM and AIMS urged the government to prohibit teachers who are appointed for confidential duties in the examination conducted by BOSEM and COSEM as question setters, question modulator and head of examiner from opening their own private coaching centers and also to ban them from teaching in other private institutions. Speaking to media at the DESAM office in Sagolban today, DESAM Secretary General Sital Oinam claimed that teachers appointed for confidential duties of examinations conducted by BOSEM and COSEM have started opening their own private coaching centers, while some are teaching in others' coaching centers to earn extra income. Sital further claimed that English question paper of the recent Class 12 examination conducted by COSEM was found to be similar to a mock test question of a private coaching center named Tony Coaching Center in Singzamay, run by one teacher of Johnston Higher Secondary School. Maintaining that various state CSOs have recently become successful in producing quality students by controlling mass cheating in examinations, he expressed disappointment at the latest turn of the event. Declaring that DESAM and AIMS have suspended Tony Coaching Center until a definite clarification on the issue, Sital urged the relevant authorities of BOSEM, COSEM and Education S to look into the matter without further delay.
Board amadi council gi confidential pariba question setter oriba oja singi maraktagi oja khara oja gi ethics ngaktaba oja kharana makhoi gi coaching center singda mahiroi masing hena yamkhalaknaba makhoi gi senda lambi hena fagalaknaba gi damakta khanduna aikoi gi asigumba board amadi council na hanglakadoba question sing asi wahai wata thaidok thaijin onthok onsin tawraga hangamba amadi suggestion na pirambagi thawong sing asi chatharambani athuba matamda director of education S amadi marile naba authorities na asigumba confidential oiba oja singna tongan ba coaching center singda satuna ma coaching tawba amadi masaki oiba coaching center sing linkatpasi khudaktagi thingadobani amadi lona nam hadana salamba oja singi mathakta action lawna nabidamak masiga sanaba provision ama singudobani haina DESAM amadi AIMS na mailena basingi puning singsinjari.
Veterinary Director Dr. H. Chauba lamented that lack of adequate staffs and veterinary dispensaries hindered treatment of diseased livestock in remote areas of Manipur. He was speaking to media at the Veterinary Department office in Sadantong today on the sidelines of recent death of various livestock like cows, buffaloes and chickens in the state. Director Chauba asserted that timely vaccination provided by the department prevented further mass cattle death in Huanggo and Kombi of the Bisnupur district recently. He mentioned that the department already took stock of the recent death of around 20 buffaloes at Nurathil in Nanoy district following the Bisnupur incident. He said that the department has identified the decrease responsible for the death of those buffaloes as hemorrhagic septicemia, locally known as Kaupomba. Assuring that the veterinary department has taken various necessary measures, the director mentioned that department staffs left the Kamjong district this morning to take stock of the recent death of wild hogs in reported areas.
Financial constraints na maram moidna koi infrastructure si khara phatre ni department ki khara manung hanjinba koi building leitaba keno phau institution su mayam ama leiba manpower gi shortage su leiriba adu somehow koi anakpada leiba amana sangama leitragadi mathangi leiriba office tuna ni do yangsillo haibani singbu so koi dum arrangement su tawje aduga staff shortage ki kai ama masi koi field assistant doctor si lawrak da si yam sang sai kuntra muksur kadore.
Speaking to media, Joint Director Administration of the Veterinary Department, Dr. N.G. Ibutombi urged livestock owners to vaccinate their domestic animals to ward off diseases which are common during the season of high temperature before the onset of raining season. Assuring that the department will provide necessary assistance, the Joint Director also appealed to livestock farmers to ensure their livestock to compensate any loss if they die.
Blackwater si ngakthok nanaba koi department na sahi kudingi koi ge vaccine si masing wanana hena masing boba koi depot koi reserve tawna thambani aduga department na khwaidigi maruan lokotpa hariba Blackwater digi FMD ICC ngakthok nanabungta eradicate tawna bungta koi ge free vaccination si tawbani adana ngasagi sometimes koi ge communication gap khara lagi ba adige farmer sing su makoi gi thaba chin ba mayam am lei bidigi koi gi department sing chiga tied up tawna vaccine he gi tika thadok ba sigi importance si koi gi mayam sing sina awareness kai tang wat ba lei masimang nani har ba lena sing se koi na department na kanna ngakthong na ba eradicate tawna hono ba da khara drawback oi bse.
Acting on a tip off regarding illicit activities going on at hotels in the Imphal City, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at hotels in Tangal Bazar and Pauna Bazar today. The team, under the supervision of the additional SP operation, Imphal West Police, Aribam Gyanasham, carried out search drive at Hotel Ambid Avenue, Hotel Nirant Lodge, Polo Inn, Hotel GM and Hotel Embassy from 12:20 p.m. till 1:25 p.m. One man and a woman was arrested from the Hotel Embassy during the drive. They were handed over to City Police Station for further investigation. As a part of the security measures taken up by Imphal West District Commando team, cordon and search operations were conducted at Tangal Bazar areas like Dharmasala, Ngari Gali, Ima Market and Alu Gali. The search operation was carried out under the supervision of the Imphal West Additional SP Operation, Aribam Gyanasham, from 5 to 5:50 this evening. Altogether, 180 individuals were verified and 12 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on permanent ban of a private clinic by AISF Manipur unit for providing illegal treatment of sexual disorders. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. All India Student Federation AISF Manipur State Unit has banned one private clinic permanently for providing illegal treatment on sexual disorders and various other ailments without proper certification or registration. Speaking to media, AISF MSc State Secretary KH Rameshwar termed it unfortunate that Unani Health Clinic sexologist physicians located at BT Road bluffed people of the state for the last 15 years while authorities concerned failed to look into the matter. He said that acting on various complaints, AISF team today carried out a drive at the clinic and came across two self-styled doctors, Bandhu Sheikh and Kiamuddin, both from Kaimur district of Bihar, without any identification proofs. Rameshwar mentioned that the team also found various medicines without label, liquors and weeds inside the clinic. He further mentioned that the two self-styled doctors have disclosed that the clinic has its branch in Senapati and Chotrampur districts and that they procure the medicines from Azad Pharmacy at Masjid Road. Rameshwar expressed apprehension at the possible prevalence of the many other illegal clinics in the state and urged the Ayush Department to take necessary measures. The ISF State Secretary also appealed to public to aware of such fraudsters and warned non-locals against such misconducts.
Matong to clinic mayama hoigi sengum sobudong hoi sogalakpasi hoi AISF Manipur Council maikaidi hoigi nungai de phongdoi loina na aikhoina hena nungai jadribadi hoigi hairiba clinic asida hoigi advertise tawba hoi cheyen ba hoigi samna kan hoigi magi staff ama khakna hoigi staff ama khakna hoigi lambi da hoi cheyen matung na ngasagi hairiba mioy sinasu last 3 days ki matung da hoigi patient na check tawba changa kan sida liba no pa akoi class 10 ju pass tawdo no pa sina hoigi patient je hoi check tawba hoigi yengba hoi thengna badagi maroina hairiba keno se hoi hoi changsala kanda drive se hoi tawba kanda se khudung thiba nataba mayama hoi u phangmani maram aduna khudak asidagi hoigi Unani clinic se hoigi AISF Manipur Council na pungthing thingjanjare loina na Manipur gi mafam.
Directorate of Health Services, Manipur and State Environment Health Cell jointly organized one-day workshop on heat waves and effect on health at Hotel Sangai Continental at MG Avenue today. Director of Health Services, Dr. K. Rajo, Additional Director of Medical Director, Dr. K. H. Shasikumar Mangang, former Head of Department of Chase, RIMS, Professor N. Tombi, and medical officers from various primary health centers of the state took part in the workshop. Three-day workshop on pedagogy and assessment tools for science faculties kicked off at the office of DMCTE today. GP Women College and DM College of Teachers Education (DMCTE) jointly organized the workshop under the aegis of University and Higher Education Department, Government of Manipur. Speaking in the event, workshop convener cum DMCTE Assistant Professor KH Dinesh Kumar stated that the workshop aimed to cite teachers and students in the wake of emerging curricular reforms and innovating teaching and evaluation patterns. He stressed the need to change the old teaching method of one-dimensional approach or lecture method of student-centered approach. KH Dinesh Kumar asserted that timely training of teachers is essential to facilitate students in enhancing their learning curve.
यामने के ना हाइबा अमत नते के ना उदासिंग दा कोई ना ताक्चब ngam bagi dum bas train to lete tawdo ko ko gi sana ai sama ka do friend baraka yorka do RP college ki for the last some years we have been associating with the NCRT and we have been associating with CBSE Council ACRT and others in this regard question ka minus semba ka micro curriculum exchange programs ni am to ni outering
Manipur Library Association Mala held its 32nd Foundation Day observance at Manipur Public Library at BT Road today. Librarian of Manipur University of Culture, Dr. T.H. Komdon, President of Manipur Library Association, Kangjam Sauba, and many people attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Association Secretary of Mala, Y. Tiken, stated that library movements were brought in the state under the initiative of Mala, which was established on May 24, 1987. He mentioned that the association continues to its strives to bring library revolution by holding various awareness programs and events in schools and colleges of the state.
Competition adagi Asia competition mayama adum akoi school adagi club singda akoi awareness program satana adagi painting competition adagi Asia competition mayama adum akoi pangthok chari masi akoi gi Raja Ram Holroy Library Foundation Kolkata gi makhada sponsor tawjaba adugumlaba akoi gi scheme ama khangni masi adum sahi chopaga akoina malana sinjadana adum lae malagi nusijaraba akoi ahallaman sing malagi member singna yamna cooperation pibiba amadi masi punamak moigi cooperation ni matungina akoina sinba ngamjabani.
Cyclist Philem Rohan will embark on yet another cycling awareness drive on the theme Humanity and Environment from Kashmir to Kanyakumari starting June 12th. He disclosed the same to media person at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking further, Philem Rohan stated that his upcoming drive will be held under the aegis of the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation and Sardar University, Greater Noida. He aims to come up with a documentary report on whether safe drinking water is available in every nook and corner of the country.
Maruiba right chatpay maram se kaino haga na handak se koi se slums kumba outskirt area gumba chada mpham sing sida koi cycle thor chalaga tha ahum khai changna koi gi moi se kai wat lige kari dakar le dige ising thapot amnura phangde ba sigum na chingba koi tata mayam ma audio visual ya koi documentary film wala to maina kap ya bi project ma da Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation ni makhala koi na tawi khan bagi sigi right cha cha bane.
Now the sports news. Bolero FC Bamon Laikai entered the final of 5th VSO Trophy football tournament. In the second semi-final match played today, Bolero FC Bamon Laikai defeated Tangkul FC Tekcham by 5-2. For the winners, Soba scored 3 goals at 39th, 49th and 52nd minutes, while Jiteshwar scored 1 goal at the 18th minute and Falguni scored 1 goal at the 59th minute. For the losing team, Tomba and Mohammad Sahir Dur scored 1 goal each at the 3rd and 14th minutes. 22 teams divided into 4 groups are competing in the tournament organized by Khongjom Circle Veteran Sports Organization at the playgrounds of Tekcham High School, Tekcham Kangzibung, Jingtam Sapomt and Santal. 2 semi-final matches will be played tomorrow. Gurumayum Robot Sarma from Manipur is one among the 3 members of AR archery team selected to participate in World Police and Fire Games 2019 to be held in Chengdu, China from August 8 to August 18. Robot Sarma from Thangmibon Polemlekai is currently serving in the Central Service Assam Rifles. It may be mentioned that Robot bagged 3 gold medals in World Police and Fire Games 2017, which was held at Los Angeles, California, USA. He also bagged 2 gold medals in Northeast Olympic Games 2018. In boxing, 6-time world champion MC Mary Kom will fight for the gold medal at the 2nd edition of the India Open International Tournament at Guwahati in Assam this afternoon. In the 51 kg final, Mary Kom will take on Vanlant Duati of Mizoram. The veteran Manipuri boxer had won the bronze in the 48 kg category at the 2012 London Olympics. Several other Indian pugilists will also play for gold medals in different categories today. These include 17 Indians had stormed into the final in 10 weight categories. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Recently elected MP from Inner Manipur, BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan discloses 5-point development agenda from Manipur. Recently elected MP from Outer Manipur NPF candidate Dr. Lorho S. Ozi assures to work in accordance to public interest, says there is room for improving NPF-BJP ties. Independent candidate R.K. Samarindo Elias Kaiku thanks supporters, says securing over 80,000 votes in recent election is a big achievement for him. MPCC President Gaikangam and INC inner candidate Oinam Nabakishore congratulate recently elected 2 state MPs of 17th Lok Sabha. And Desam and Ames urge government to prohibit teachers engaged in board examination from opening or teaching in private coaching centers.